Hey there, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. Picture this, you have just bought a brand new dryer. You brought all your clothes downstairs and you are pumped to start getting laundry done. You plug your new dryer in and poof, it doesn't come on. Your first reaction might be to call up the appliance store and bark at them a little bit. But hang on, before you do that, let's make sure it's the dryer and not the electricity going to the dryer. That way you don't get charged a trip charge from the appliance company. First, go down to your panel and make sure your breaker is actually on. Flip the breaker all the way off and then all the way on. If that seems okay, then go back up to the dryer plug. Make sure you bring your multimeter. You want to insert the two prongs into the two top longer slots on the device. If it doesn't read 240, then you have a problem. Insert one prong in one of the top slots on the device, and then the other prong on the lower ground slot, and then repeat with the other top slot on the device. You should read 120 in both instances. If you don't, then you are not getting full power to your dryer. Take off the panel cover and test the breaker to make sure you get 240 at the breaker. If you don't, then you need to replace the breaker. If you do, then you need to take off the dryer outlet cover and test the wires there. It's probable you have a loose connection or a compromised dryer outlet. Check that out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our page.